Let's check if we can play Farming Simulator 25 with friends. And the short answer is absolutely yes, you can play Farming Simulator 25 with your friends. And I'm going to show you quickly how to set up your server and how to join one. We can go for create game right here in the multiplayer from main menu. Then we can select the slot or game save that we want to use. Then we can enable or disable mods, and this is quite crucial to entire process, since when you enable some of the mods, your friends may not be able to join you and they need to download the mods as well. So at the beginning I would stick with no mods enabled or DLCs as well. So let's continue right here. Now we can create a name for our for our server. We can also assign a password. If you want to keep the game private only for your friends, I strongly recommend to set up your password right here. Then you can change the port number, make sure it matches and it's unlocked on your router. Then there's internet connection type, and you can assign it to your internet connection speed. Then the max players that can join the server. If you want to play with 2 friends, that means you and your friend, you can set it to 2. Then you can change the multiplayer language. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you want to keep the game private. Enable or disable crossplay, which will allow your friends from different platforms like PlayStation to join your game if you're hosting it on PC. And you can enable or disable auto accept game invites. Now when we click on start, our server should start running. And if your friend wants to join, he needs to click on the multiplayer as I shown in the beginning of the video. Select join game, and then let me show you that actually in a moment. Let the game load and I will go back to main menu. Okay, so we click on multiplayer if we want to join, click on join game. And now we can filter the search. As you can see, there's a lot of servers that he may join, and we want to enter the game name right here that you've created. That's the server name. Then we can filter it with the language, so make sure to choose the language that you've picked during game creation. And after that we can just look for the server right here and double click on it to join.